Welcome back for my final morning report analysis video on Friday, 10th of August with me, which market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold, which looked to be trying to break that, has broken that downtrend and looked to be sort of trying to sort of break out to the upside yesterday. 12.17 was the high before the market turned lower, and again it's moved lower today as the dollar has strengthened. But the safe haven bid, I think, is sort of saving gold from a downside break at the moment. But yeah, we are sort of hanging on in gold. The low at 12.05 today. 12.04 is the key support that comes in from the July low last year. And below that you're looking at 1194.50, which is that March low from last year. But we're just hanging on in gold at the moment. But it is still sort of a consolidation, as I've been saying, it's still a consolidation play until you start to see the market breaking through resistances, and we haven't seen that yet. It started to sort of attempt yesterday to sort of look at breaking through resistances, but couldn't really sustain a move above the 144-hour moving average, which has been a basis of resistance for the last couple of weeks, and it's fallen away. But for now, it hasn't broken down, and you could still argue, to an extent, there is still a fairly sort of neutral configuration, although I suppose in the last sort of few days that the RSI has failed around the 60 mark, which is concerning, back towards 30 now, so that suggests still a negative outlook. But we haven't yet broken below 12.04, so that is the key support to watch. Bulls are still not in control by any means, but they are sort of hanging on. Just needs to just hold up above 12.450 amidst all this sort of volatility that we're seeing today. And if it can do that, then the prospect of a recovery is still on the table. But for now, this consolidation is intact between 12.04, 12.20, and the market is sort of testing the support of that consolidation, but is not yet decisively turned negative once more. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you again next week.